I want more time. You want more time. We all want more time. Want to find out how you can get that time? You definitely need to keep on watching. Hey boss, it's girl Valerie, and in today's video, our topic is time management. Time. Like, that is basically like the craziest word, time. Let me even check my dictionary. What is time? Yeah. Valerie, why are you checking your dictionary now? Why didn't you check it since? Like, it's your business. Okay, anyway, I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using medical dictionary to check what time is. If medicine can define time, if medicine can define time, that is going to be something. Oh, my COVID-19 vaccine, found it! Anyway, we're still going to time. So time is T. Nope, there is no time. T-I. Nope. There's no time. Great. So good news is that time cannot be found in your medical dictionary. Medical dictionary is for medical things. What is time management? The Oxford Dictionary defines time management as the ability to use one's time effectively, especially at work. Time management relates to keeping track of what you must do and how much time you must do it in. Yes, so now we understand what time management is. But how can you manage your time? And how can you ensure that you do what you want to do effectively, productively, and in that specific time that you want to do it in? This is how I manage my time. And let's see how it can help you too. The first thing I do is I have a to-do list. Okay, so basically this is a bunch of to-do lists that I had all throughout last week. So I do not like having my to-do list in a sort of app. Why? Because it's so much satisfying when I can simply just tick everything. Like, as you can see, every time I do something, I tick it. On a list like this helps me manage my time more effectively. Now, what else do I do to ensure I manage my time? Next thing I have is I have a planner. Now, this is my planner, my marble planner. Now, why do you need to have a planner? A planner helps you organize your time. Now, you can organize it in months, in weeks, and in days. Now, this is for days, but this is for weeks and months. Now, I majorly like planning myself in weeks because I feel like weeks breaks it down and makes it less overwhelming, because it can be so overwhelming, right? Now, what you should know is the simplest way to manage your time is knowing what you want to do, when you want to do it, and how you're gonna do it. It's crazy, right? Okay, so let's put it this way. I want to study by 5 p.m. So I know what I want to do. When do I want to do it? By 5 p.m. And like, how am I gonna do it? Like, because it's one thing to say you want to do it, it's another thing to actually do it. So I like to call it action. That's like action plan. So time management is not just that we do not have time, it's just that we do not know when, what, and how. Yeah, baby. It's that simple. Don't mind me, I dress really cute today, so I just wanna show off my dress. Now, sometimes if you're like me and you have this whole planner mindset, you spend so much time planning rather than time actually, doing. So you have to put in the time to actually do it. And how can you stop yourself from excessively planning to doing? And that is what I like to call the 2-minute rule. Yes, the 2-minute rule simply involves you saying, okay, I want to drink water. And you're like, you're stalling, you're procrastinating from drinking this water. And you're like, in 2 minutes, I'm gonna drink this water. And you're like, you put on your timer, fast. You put on your timer and you just do it. So that is that simple. Set a timer for what you want to do, when you want to do it, and just get into it. Now, the next thing you need to do is scheduling your time. Now, aside having a to-do list, no matter how satisfying it is, you need to actually schedule your time. And one easy way to schedule your time is actually time blocking. Now, time blocking is you simply setting aside what you want to do at a particular time and how much time you need for that particular activity. This is simply me blocking my time. Now, I have all my activities I want to do, but I simply have a 24-hour time period that I put in by the side, and each thing I want to do has a specific time block. If you do not want to have it in a planner, you can also have it in your Google Calendar or whatever calendar that you use. This is very important because I think it's the Parkinson's rule. Yeah, all medical students, I know you heard about Parkinson's disease where you're shaky and stuff like that, but the Parkinson's rule states that time fills up. Like whatever you want to do occupies the time that you want to use it for. Now, if I said I'm going to brush my teeth, okay, let me know he's brushing my teeth. Let me say what. If I said I'm going to shoot a YouTube video today, I might basically spend the entire day shooting my YouTube video. But if I told myself I want to shoot my YouTube video in 2 hours, I'm going to spend my time shooting that YouTube video in 2 hours. So it is very, very important that you specify what you want to do within a specific time block. That is what scheduling is. Scheduling simply means just you specifying what you want to do at each specific time blocks. Not, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Now, if you carefully look at some of my to-do lists, I say what I want to do and I say what time I want to do them. This is very important because if you do not put in the time, you're basically going to just ramble about and not do anything. The next thing you need to know is the daily highlight. The daily highlight simply is what is that one thing, like just one thing that you want to do for that day. Now, we can have a bunch of things on our to-do list, which is completely amazing, but we need to have something that we say is ours. Because sometimes we feel so satisfied constantly ticking through our to-do list, but we don't feel fulfilled. We just feel like we did a bunch of stuff today. So a daily highlight helps you feel fulfilled over your day. Now, this daily highlight can range from something like calling your mom or preparing so hard for that particular exam that is coming up. You're similarly, oh no, I don't want to think about it, but that's what I'm talking about, a daily highlight. It's so important because you feel fulfilled when you've done that one thing that is important to you. So today, my most important thing to do today was to actually shoot this video. So even if I have done every single thing on my to-do list, if I did not shoot this video, I won't feel fulfilled. Now, you might be like, Valerie, will I just do one thing a day? No. Daily highlight simply is having that one thing that is at the top of your to-do list. It mustn't be what you did in the morning or in the afternoon or in the night. It just means that just one thing that if you do that particular thing that day, you are going to feel fulfilled. No matter, like even if I did not check anything on my to-do list, if I did that one thing, I will feel so fulfilled. Let me give you an instance. Ta-da! Now, you can see on Saturday, all I did was make my hair. And don't I feel fulfilled? Duh, you bet I do. So it all depends. So my daily highlight was to make my hair, and I actually ended up making my hair. Time management can be really taxing, but there's still one thing you need to know, and that is you own all your time. Yeah, you do. You definitely own all your time. And I know most of the time, especially as medical students, we end up saying this whole thing about, I don't have time, blah, blah, blah. Duh, you do have time. Everybody has 24 hours a day, whether you like it or not. Okay? What do I mean by you own all your time? It simply is you do what you want to do because you feel like that thing you're doing is what is most important to you at that particular time. Let's say Chukwemeka has been calling you, babe, come now, let's go out. Let me buy you chicken. Let me buy you this. Let me buy you that. And you're like, no, I don't have time. Babe, you do. Because if Ikechukwu calls you, you're going to answer because you know he is more important. So time management means that you are doing what is most important to you at that particular time. And I know sometimes laziness might not allow you to do what is most important to you. And that is why you need a to-do list, you need to have a daily highlight, and finally, you need to take action, right? You do not need to spend all your time planning. After writing your to-do list, after choosing your daily highlight, take action. So that is all you need to know today about time management. If you have questions, please leave them down in the comment below. Like this video, and share this video so your friends can see you. My name is Valerie Okorie. I make videos about medical school and productivity. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and join the family. And I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, like this video or this video right here. Ciao. See you. Bye.